Hello, my name is Karita Glenn, and this is my Unit 4 time series, Cost of Climate Change. Data 625, Data Visualization, Spring 2025, Professor Christopher Wrightson, University of Maryland Global Campus. The topic was chosen for climate change because of datasets availability and connecting variables. There was more of a theme between the variables listed than other topics that were looked at. The sources for the datasets were National Centers for Environmental Information, and the variables that provided was billion-dollar weather and climate disasters and the minimum and maximum temperatures. Carbon dioxide emissions, that dataset was from the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and the International Energy Agency, and that was through CAGL. Annual greenhouse gas emissions, including land use, that variable, the source for that was Our World in Data, and that's a subproject of Global Change Data Lab. Figure 1 is looking at all greenhouse gases by continent for the year 2023, and that's just to see that Asia produces the most with over 29 billion kilotons, and I'll show you produces the least with 580 million kilotons. Figure 2 is looking at carbon dioxide emissions over the time period using exponential trend line. The forecasted value for the year 2011 is 5,081,589, and I have a medium confidence in this forecast because of the 95% confidence interval. Figure 3 is looking at the annual maximum temperature in Baltimore using a linear trend line, and this was just the yearly annual for the entire year, not per season. And for the year 2011, the maximum was 99 for Baltimore. Figure 4 is looking at the annual minimum temperature in Baltimore using the linear trend line as well. And the forecasted amount for this, for the year 2011, is going to be 5. Figure 5 is looking at U.S. billion-dollar weather and climate disasters for the time period using linear trend as well. And Tableau is forecasting a value of 7 for the year 2011. And these are my references. In conclusion,